Welcome to the Evaluating Online Information workshop. This workshop is brought to you by Santa Ana College Nealley Library librarians. This workshop is intended to help you evaluate the content that you find online that you're going to be using for your college research. So what does this workshop do? You'll learn how to effectively search online. We'll provide you with tips and tricks to find what you need, and we'll inform you about the best ways to analyze those results to make sure that they are reliable and worthy of your college research. This workshop contains 3 parts, and each of those parts have a quiz. You must attain 80% on each of those quizzes to receive your certificate. In addition to those 3 quizzes, there's also a comprehensive quiz that wraps up everything from the workshop. And also, there is a 4-question survey at the end too that is also required to get your certificate. However, it's not graded the same way. If you have questions about how to use this workshop or something's going wrong technically, my email is at the bottom of this page. My name is Jackie King, and I'm going to be your librarian and your guide through this workshop. Welcome.